is How to Skateboard by Jeffrey. The first position is to push off. Just watch. The next position is riding. The third position is ollie. The fourth and final position is manual. Now I'll show you all the basics of riding. Turning, as you see, turning. In riding position, pushing off like that. Turn your feet and turning. Now we will be learning how to ride. Use the riding position. Now you guys are going to learn how to pop a manual and how to stop. Pretty simple. Just keep popping it up. Here's the stopping. This one's going to be the tail drag. Now it's the basic turning. Just lean side to side. Now we're doing the foot drag. Pretty simple. Just drag your foot on the ground. Now it's a 45-degree turn. Just pop it up and turn, and then turn back. And now it's the drop in. Just lift your tail up when it's the brace for impact. Just jump off, put your feet in position, and then hop off. Now we're gonna learn how to run and jump on. Pretty easy. Right position, and then jump on. Thank you all for watching. See you all later. Goodbye.